Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Cranberry Mojito Mocktail. Take a glass and add some mint leaf. Then you have to add some lime veggies. After that you have to muddle all the ingredients. Then you have to add crushed ice. After that squeeze on lime juice. Then you have to add 10 ml of Mojito syrups. You have to add 10 ml of sugar syrup. After that add some cranberry juice. Before that you have to shake. Add some cranberry juice. Then stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. After that you have to add the fresh soda. See, your Cranberry Mojito mocktail is ready. Garnish with lime slices, chicken stirrers and lime veggies, mint sprigs. The refreshment mocktail. Thank you for watching my video.